This 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 389DK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features a shimmer interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, spare tire kit, microwave, DVD player, auxiliary battery, LP detector, external shower, refrigerator, oven, stovetop burner, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 389DK is 12,730 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.